Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is gonna be a glowy look. So without wasting any time, let's get started. After prepping the brows, I'm just clearing the edges with concealer to make my brows look more sharp. For my shadow base, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer all over my lid and I'm blending this with my Pack Beauty sponge. For eyes, I'm using my Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette and I'm taking this medium warm tone shade for my upper crease and I'm blending this with my Pro Arte A24 number brush. After this, I'm taking dark shade, stamping over the crease area and then I'm blending it with the other shade. For lid, I'm taking this golden shimmery shade. To make the eye makeup more popped out, I'm applying this liquid glitter eyeshadow from Nicka K on my lid area over that shimmery shade. And I'm just creating a nice wing liner with my L'Oreal Sabyasachi limited edition liner. The lashes are from Pack Cosmetics. Okay, so for my face, I'm using this Lotus Professional Lotion. It's a really amazing product which makes your skin glowy for a long time, but it's not for oily skin people. After this, I'm taking the cream highlighter from Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette and I'm applying this to the high point of my face. As you guys can see, this gives an instant glow. For contouring, I'm using this Nicka Beauty Conceal and Contour palette. I'm using a light shade concealer for highlighting my under eye, the bridge of my nose and the side of my lips. For covering up my hyperpigmentation, I'm taking this dark shade and I'm gonna blend everything. And just because it will be a glowy look, I'm not gonna apply the powder everywhere. I just took some loose powder in my beauty sponge and I'm just pressing the sponge onto the skin of my under eye, smile line, side of my nose, center of my forehead, and then I'm blending the powder in a tapping motion. For bronzing, I'm using this warm tone brown color from Kiko Manano. For my lower lash line, I'm taking the medium shade. For my inner corners, I'm applying the golden shimmer shade. I'm contouring my lips with a liner to make my lips look more plumped. for lipstick, I'm using this Barbie Pink liquid lipstick from NYB. It's a complete matte liquid lipstick. And I'm highlighting the high point of my face with the same highlighter palette. Just because it is gonna be glowing look, so I'm highlighting the high points of my body also. You can also use a cream highlighter for your hands and legs and high points of your body. Or you can make some powder highlighter with your baby oil just for a glowy, shimmery and bronzy look. So this is the final look and I hope you guys like it. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be right back with another video. Bye bye.